Okay guys, let me unbox a very cheap but still cost $69 from Megalong, a made in China microphone stand with a holder for, I believe, a handphone or a voice a buffer for to remove the wind. What they call Pro Stand Services. What the hell is this? Yeah, tripod microphone stand with extended boom, made in China. It's the lightest, cheapest, but if it's that cheap, should cost cheaper than that. Right, let's see. What have we got? Oh, here's the microphone holder. Come on now. Want to assemble it? Yeah, it got this holder there with the ring which can hold the microphone so that you won't get the noisy scratching sound. But seems like the rubber band will kaput in no time. What else have we got? Yeah, this is the, I believe when you're doing recording, it removes the hissing sound from your breathing. It's rarely used anyway. And wow, what else? Oh, that's for the holder for this. For the holder of this, I believe. And oh, that's the holder for this. You stick the one end there. What? Oh, and you're supposed to clip this. What me? You're supposed to clip this one for your handphone. I don't know. That's a chip. That looks like you're gonna, if you drop this, you're gonna break anytime. So many plastic. I hate the plastics. Whoa. Throw away that. And this one is to hold the, I believe, to hold the this thing in place in front of the microphone. Oh. Hope there's nothing missing. But I don't need this. I just want a microphone stand to hold a microphone. So how do you assemble this? Push it down. Okay. Oops. Cannot be seen in the camera. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. If I bring it up, you see the clutter of my computer. It's going out of focus. Silly. Okay, let me off you for a while. There's the fully assembled one. The wind protector for your microphone. Microphone holder. It's kind of upside down. No, it's hold upwards. That's your to clip your handphone if you want to sing karaoke from your handphone, which I like to remove anyway. I don't need it. You memorize your lyrics, boys. Don't sing karaoke. Can remove it from this. Dismantle it from there. Just unscrew it, and that's it. A normal, light, cheap microphone stand. This thing fall down and this thing will break. All cheap plastic. And I'm very doubtful about that rubber. That rubber will go anytime. I guess you can replace it with the ordinary rubber band once this thing kaput. Yes, that's it. Wow. Cheap. That's all, folks.